Hello, friends, and welcome. Today I want to share a very special story with you. My first flight. I feel excited, but also a little nervous because I have never been on an airplane before. Tomorrow I will travel to another city and I will fly for the very first time. Let me tell you how I get ready for this big day. It is the evening before my trip. I sit on my bed and look at my empty suitcase. I smile because I know tomorrow will be full of new experiences. I say to myself, I need to start packing. First, I take out my suitcase and open it. Then I think about what I will need. I do not want to forget anything. I start with clothes. I fold 2 t-shirts, one blue and one white. I add a pair of pants and some socks. I also put in a warm sweater because sometimes the airplane can feel cold. Next, I add my shoes. I choose a pair that is light and comfortable because I will walk a lot at the airport. After clothes, I pack my things for the bathroom. I put my toothbrush, toothpaste, and a small hairbrush into a little bag. I also pack some tissues and hand sanitizer. I want to feel clean and fresh during my trip. Then I think about free time. I don't want to feel bored, so I put a small book inside. I also add my headphones because I like listening to music. Now I remember important items. I check my passport and my flight ticket. I put them in a safe place inside my backpack. I also add my phone and charger. I write a list to make sure I don't forget: clothes, toothbrush, passport, ticket, phone. I look at the list and say, yes, I have everything. But I also think of something nice, a little gift. I take a small keychain and put it in my bag. It is for my cousin in the other city. I feel happy thinking about giving it to her. Then I add a small snack just in case I get hungry. I zip up my suitcase and smile. I am ready, I say out loud. When everything is packed, I sit on my bed again. I take out my notebook and write, tomorrow, my first flight. I draw a small airplane on the page. I look at the clock. It is late, and I need to rest. I lie down, close my eyes, and think about tomorrow. I imagine the big airport, the airplane, and the clouds in the sky. I feel a little nervous, but I also feel strong and brave. I say quietly, I can do this. Then I fall asleep, ready for a new adventure. The next morning I wake up very early. The sky is still dark, and the streets are quiet. I feel sleepy, but I also feel excited. My family takes me to the airport. I hold my suitcase and my backpack. My heart beats fast because this is a big moment in my life. When we arrive, I see the airport building. It is huge, with tall glass doors and bright lights. People are walking in and out. Some are pushing big suitcases. Some are talking on the phone. Some are hugging their families. Everything feels busy and full of energy. I take a deep breath and step inside. The hall is wide and full of people. I hear the sound of rolling suitcases and many voices. Above my head, I see big screens with flight numbers and times. I feel a little lost, but I also feel curious. I tell myself, stay calm. You can do this. First, I need to check in. I walk to the counter with my suitcase. A woman in uniform smiles at me. She asks for my passport and ticket. I give them to her with both hands. She types on her computer, then prints something. She says, "Here is your boarding pass. Your seat is by the window." I smile back and say, "Thank you." I feel proud because I did it by myself. Next, I go to security. There's a line of people. Everyone has to put their bags in trays. When it is my turn, I put my backpack on the belt. I take off my jacket and shoes. I walk through a gate. It makes a small beep and I feel nervous. But the guard smiles and says, "It's okay." She checks my bag, finds nothing wrong, and says, "You are good to go." I smile and say, "Thank you." I feel lighter now. After security, I walk into another big hall. There are many shops and restaurants. I see people buying coffee, snacks, and books. I walk slowly and look around. Everything is new for me. I see signs that show the gates. My boarding pass says Gate 14, so I follow the arrows. When I reach my gate, I sit down near a big window. Outside, I see airplanes. Some are standing still, some are moving slowly, and some are flying up into the sky. I press my face close to the glass and whisper, "Wow. I can't believe that soon I will be inside one of those planes." I open my backpack and check my things again: passport, boarding pass, phone, charger, headphones. Everything is safe. I take a sip of water and look around. Next to me, a little boy eats a sandwich. A man reads a newspaper. A woman types on her laptop. Everyone is waiting, just like me. A voice comes from the loudspeaker. It calls another flight, not mine. Still, I listen carefully. I imagine my flight will be called soon. My heart beats faster. I feel a mix of fear and joy. I look at my watch. Only 30 minutes to go. I whisper to myself, "I am ready, I am brave, I can do this." Then I smile, because my dream is about to come true. It is finally time to board. My hands feel a little cold, but my face is smiling. I walk with the other passengers to the gate. The staff checks my passport and boarding pass. She says kindly, "Have a nice flight." I answer, "Thank you," and walk down the jet bridge. My heart beats fast with every step. I step into the airplane. The lights are soft, and the air smells different, like fresh and clean. A flight attendant says, "Welcome." I smile back and find my seat. It is 14A by the window. I put my backpack under the seat and sit down. I click my seatbelt. I look around. People are putting bags above their seats. Some are talking, some are quiet, some are already reading books. Soon, the captain speaks. "Please fasten your seatbelt. We are ready for takeoff." My heart jumps. The plane begins to move, slowly at first, then faster and faster. I hold the armrest tight. Suddenly, the plane lifts into the air. My stomach feels funny, and my ears feel strange. I swallow, and it helps. I look outside the window. The airport looks small. The cars look like toys. The sky looks wide and bright. I whisper, "Wow, I am flying." Up in the sky, everything feels calm. I see white clouds. They look soft like pillows. I feel like I can touch them. The sun shines through the window and it warms my face. I smile. My fear is gone. I feel happy and proud. After some time, a flight attendant comes with a cart. She smiles and asks, "Would you like something to drink?" I say, "Yes, please, apple juice." She gives me a cup and some crackers. I say, "Thank you." The juice is sweet and cold. I eat the crackers slowly and look out the window. It feels like a dream. I see people around me. A man is watching a movie. A woman is sleeping with a blanket. A little girl is coloring in a book. Everyone is doing something different, but we are all in the same plane, flying together in the sky. I take out my notebook and write one sentence. My first flight is amazing. The hours pass. The plane moves smoothly. Sometimes it shakes a little, but not too much. I listen to soft music with my headphones. I close my eyes and think about the new city I will visit. I imagine meeting my cousin and giving her the small gift I packed. My heart feels warm. After about 1 hour, the captain speaks again. "We are preparing to land. Please fasten your seatbelt." I sit up straight and click my belt again. I look outside. The clouds are gone. Now I can see the ground. The houses look tiny, the roads look like lines, and the rivers shine in the sun. The plane goes lower and lower. My ears feel strange again, but I remember to swallow, and it helps. I hold the armrest as the wheels touch the ground. Bump, bump. Then the plane slows down. We land safely. I take a deep breath and whisper, "I did it." People stand up and take their bags. I wait for my turn. When it is time, I walk slowly out of the plane. My legs feel a little shaky, but I feel strong inside. At the arrival area, I see my cousin waiting. She waves and runs to me. We hug and I laugh. "My first flight," I say proudly. She smiles. "You did it." I pick up my suitcase and we walk out together. The day is bright. My heart is full. I feel brave, happy, and thankful. This was my first flight, and I will always remember it. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words about travel. Don't forget to practice. See you next time.